Awareness skill book, page number 25. Sounds of animals. Your awareness skill book, page number 25. Sounds of animals. So I am writing the book name and the page number in the chat box. ठीक है? Awareness skill book, page number 25. चलो, तो बच्चों, in this we are going to learn the sounds of animals. ठीक है? As we all know कि when we step out of our house, we can see different kinds of animals. हम अलग अलग तरह के animals देखते हैं, या जंगल में अलग अलग तरह के animals होते हैं. तो सभी animals का sound क्या एक जैसा होता है? एक जैसा होता है क्या? No. जिस तरह से हमारी आवाज अलग होती है, हमारा साउंड अलग होता है, इन द सेम वे सब एनिमल्स का साउंड भी अलग अलग होता है. अगर हम एनिमल्स को नहीं भी देखेंगे, है ना, एंड इफ यू ओनली हियर द साउंड, तो वी रिकॉग्नाइज द एनिमल, हम पहचान सकते कि वो कौन सा एनिमल है. ठीक है? जैसे अभी आपने आईज क्लोज कर रखी हैं और आपके पीछे कोई डॉग आकर खड़ा हो एंड ही इट स्टार्ट्स बार्किंग, वो भौ भौ करने लगे, तो आप उसे बिना देखे पहचान जाओगे ना कि मेरे पीछे या मेरे आसपास डॉग है ना? कैसे पहचानोगे? विथ इट्स साउंड, उसकी आवाज से. ओके, तो इन द सेम वे अदर एनिमल्स आर हैविंग आल्सो हैविंग डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ साउंड. सब एनिमल्स का अपना अपना पर्टिकुलर साउंड होता है. So everyone look in your book. So we'll read it. कि which animal sounds what. So आपको पता है हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था all McDonald's had a farm. Remember the rhyme all McDonald's? उसमें हम लोग sounds बोलते थे. Cow says moo moo, है ना? The same thing we are going to learn here. So the first animal is horse. Look in your book, everyone. Look in your book. Awareness skill book, page number 25. The first animal is horse. The sound of horse is neighs. Horse sound is neighs. ठीक है? Next one is cat. Cat says meow. Cat says meow. Next one. Next animal is duck. Duck says quack quack. Duck says quack quack. The next animal is very familiar to you all. It's a dog. Dog का आपको पता ही है, dog क्या करता है? Bark. Dog barks. Bow bow, है ना? Dog barks. Next, the sound of hen is cackles. The sound of hen is cackles. जो hen कुकड़ुकू करती है ना, कुकड़ुकू, उसको cackle कहते हैं. ठीक है? The sound of hen is cackles. We are going to read this daily, तो हमें learn हो जाएगा then. ठीक है? Next is monkey. Monkeys. The sound of monkey is chatter. Monkey chatters. जो monkey sound निकालता है उसे chatters कहते हैं. Chatter. ठीक है? Next, sheep. The sound of sheep. Sheep जो sound निकालती है, we'll call it bleats. Bleats. No problem. आज आपको अगर learn नहीं होगा, we are going to revise it again and again. Okay? जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, different animals makes different sounds. हर एनिमल अलग अलग साउंड निकालता है, तो वो एनिमल के साउंड को क्या कहते हैं वो यहाँ पर लिखा है. ठीक है? तो जो शीप साउंड निकालती है, द साउंड प्रोड्यूस बाय शीप इज नोन एज ब्लीट. ब्लीट. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट, एलिफेंट. द साउंड मेड बाय एलिफेंट इज ट्रम्पेट. ट्रम्पेट. जो एनिमल साउंड निकालता है उसको कहते हैं ट्रम्पेट. चैत्या's mother, ma'am, are you finding difficulty in Searching the page? No? ठीक है. And lion. Last one is lion. The lion roars. जो lion आवाज निकालता है, हो, उसको कहते हैं roar. Lion कौन सी आवाज निकालता है? Roar. ठीक है? चलो, we'll say it one more time. Horse neighs. Cat meow. Duck quack quack. Ma'am, I have written the page number in the chat box. Awareness skill book, page number 25. Awareness skill book, page number 25. So duck says quack quack. Then dog का आपको पता ही है, the dog barks. Dog जो भो भो की आवाज निकालता है उसको कहते हैं bark. Bark करना, ठीक है? The hen cackles. मैम ने अभी आपको बताया था थोड़ी देर पहले, hen जो कुकड़ू करती है उसको हम कहते हैं cackle. The hen cackles. Then next is monkey. Monkey chatters. The sound made by monkey is known as chatter. Chatter. Then sheep. Sheep bleats. The sound made by sheep is bleat. आपको आज लर्न नहीं होगा. You don't worry. We are going to revise it again and again. ठीक है? Elephant. Elephant जो आवाज निकालता है उसको कहते हैं trumpet. The sound made by elephant is known as trumpet. And the last one, lion. Lion roars. Lion जो हो की आवाज निकालता है उसको कहते हैं roar. ठीक है? The sound produced by lion is known as roar. All right? Chalo. Now close the book. Close the book. All right. Chalo. Now, kids, it's time to say the rhyme. So the rhyme is in your rhyme book. जो rhyme हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो आपकी rhyme book में है. On page number, let me find the page. On page number 12. Page number 12. The title of the rhyme is I have a toothbrush. Everyone, the rhyme is in your rhyme book on page number 12. I have a toothbrush. Look, ma'am is also having toothbrush. Look, है ना? So, हमारे पास भी टूथब्रश होता है पर थोड़ा छोटा होता है, because इतना बड़ा तो हमारे मुंह में ही नहीं आएगा, है ना? So, as you all know, how many times we have to brush our teeth? You tell me this. Fingers पे बताओ. आप कितने टाइम ब्रश करते हो? सही सही बताना, okay? Be honest. Be honest. How many times you brush your teeth? Okay, some are saying 1, some are saying 2. Be honest. अच्छा, those who are not raising their finger, can I assume कि आप एक बार करते हो सिर्फ? चलो ठीक है. Those who are brushing their teeth twice a day, that's a very good thing. But जो एक बार करते हैं, बच्चों आपको twice a day करना है, 2 times करना है, ठीक है? एक in the morning and at the night before going to bed. सोने से पहले भी आपको एक बार करना है, ठीक है? It's very important to brush your teeth twice a day. ठीक है ना? चलो, let's sing the rhyme together. Just a minute. Chalo, let's start. I have a toothbrush, neat and gay. Come on. Say. I have a toothbrush, neat and gay. To brush my teeth with every day. Chalo, start again. I have a toothbrush, neat and gay, to brush my teeth with every day. I brush them every morning. I brush them every night. कितनी बार ब्रश करना है हमें? Twice a day. We have to brush our teeth twice a day, in the morning and in the night. Chalo, start again. I have a toothbrush, neat and gay, to brush my teeth with every day. I brush them every morning. I brush them every night, till all are shining, clean and bright. Till all are shining, clean and bright. जब हम ब्रश करते हैं हमारे टीथ को, if we brush our teeth properly, है ना, if we brush our teeth properly daily twice a day, तो हमारे टीथ कैसे हो जाएंगे? It will become clean and shining. अगर नहीं करोगे तो येलो हो जाएंगे, कैविटीज लग जाएंगी. So it's very important to brush your teeth twice a day and properly. ऐसे नहीं हम तो 2 बार करते पर जल्दी 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 फास्ट फास्ट कर लिया हमने. No, we have to brush our teeth properly, up and down, in and out, everywhere, and twice a day. All right? Chalo, okay. Now, come on kids, we'll move further. Now get your mathematics copy. We'll do our maths work now. Come on. So get your mathematics copy, and what you have to do first? What you have to do? चैत्य आप बताओ. कॉपी में हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? अनम्यूट. टेल मी.
बता क्या लिखते कॉपी में सबसे पहले? बोलो.
Counting.
नहीं यहाँ क्या लिखते हैं?
First of all, what we are going to write?
Date लिखते हैं.
2991.
So what is this? Date.
क्या है ये?
Date.
Okay, very good. So first of all, we are going to write the date. So today the date is 29/9/2021. And 9 क्यों लिखा है? I think अब तो सबको clear है. We had written 9 in the date because September is the 9th month of a year. That's why instead of September, we had written 9. Today the date is 29/9/2021. So kids, today we are going to write counting from 5151 to 100. Okay. So I'm erasing all this because we don't have space, that much space. So let's start. So first of all, you have to write T and O. Now tell me, TO stands for what? TO का मतलब क्या होता है? So who is going to tell me? Let me see. हाँ, जिसने हाथ उठा रखे, I know you know that. ठीक है? अभी जिनको नहीं आता है, I'm going to ask that. Par, you tell me. Par, you unmute yourself. You are not paying attention na in the class.
मैम कुछ बोल रही है, ध्यान से सुनो.
Yes, ma'am. 1 to 100. 1 to 100 we have to write. चलो पर, you tell me T and O का मतलब क्या होता है? I told this in the class. What T stands for and what O stands for?
मैम आपसे पूछ रही है कि टी और ओ का क्या मतलब होता है? टी और ओ का यहाँ कहाँ लिखते हैं टी और ओ? फिर बताओ।
Okay, chalo. So T stands for tens and O stands for ones. T stands for tens and O stands for ones. ठीक है? Always remember that. O का मतलब होता है ones and T का मतलब होता है tens. ठीक है? So we have to write the counting from 1 to 100. है ना? Isn't it? Okay. Chalo. So let's start the counting. We'll say it and we'll write down. Okay? Shall I start? 1. So you all know, you just say, read and write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, and 1, 0, 10. So I think it's very easy for you. You all know the counting, but doing revision is a very good thing. ठीक है? So इसलिए आप one time उसे read करो और लिखो. You say and write. Read it first and then write it in the copy. Okay, all right? Then after one, देखो, listen kids, tens and ones. यहाँ पर देखो 10 जब हमने लिखा तो 1 comes at tens place. 1 tens की place पर आया. And जो single digit है वो सारी ones की place पर हैं. Okay, so that is tens or ones. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. Then 1, 9, 19. And 2, 0, 20. Then after 20, 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. Then 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. Say and write. Say and write. Okay? Again and again, I used to say this because it is very important to read each and everything. 28. Then 29. 30. 30. Then after 30, 30. 31. 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. Then after 33, 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. And 4, 0, 40. Then after 40, 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. Okay, Shreyash, wait for others. 4, 4, 44. Then 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. Next is 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. And 5, 0, 50. Okay. Okay. Those who have completed, wait for others also. Then after 50, 5, 1, 51. Read and write. Jaldi nahi karna hai. 5, 2, 52. Then 5, 3, 53. 5, 4, 54. 5, 5, 55. Then after 55, 5, 6, 56. 5, 7, 57. 5, 8, 58. 5, 9, 59. And 6, 0, 60. Then after 6, 0, 60, 6, 1, 61. 6, 2, 62. 6, 3, 63. 6, 4, 64. Then 6, 5, 65. 6, 6, 66. 6, 7, 67. 6, 8, 68. 6, 9, 69. And 7, 0, 70. Now, after 70, 71. 71, 71. 72, 72. 73, 73. 74, 74. Then 75, 75. 76, 76. 7, 7, 77. 7, 8, 78. 7, 9, 79. And 80, 80. Then after 80, 80, yes, 81, 81. 81, 81. 82, 82. 83, 83. 84, 84. 85, 85. 86, 86. 87, 87. 88, 88. Then after 88, 89 and 90, 90. अच्छा 90 तक लिखने के बाद वहां पर TO नहीं आएगा, उसके साथ HTO आएगा. ठीक है. H stands for 100, T stands for tens and O stands for ones. H का मतलब है 100, T का मतलब है tens and O means ones. Now 91, 91. Then 92, 92. 93, 93. Then 94, 94. 95, 95. Then 96, 96. 97, 97. 98, 98. 99, and after 99, 100, 100. So this one comes in place of 100. Okay.